Let's pack lunch for my picky eating first grader. Kassidy, what are we gonna try today?
Dragon fruit.
Okay, what are you gonna have for lunch?
Pizza.
So we're gonna try some DIY pizza roll-ups. Let's get into it. We're gonna use croissant for the crust, pizza sauce, pizza mozzarella, and some pepperonis. Okay, let's see how we're gonna make it.
Mom, I think I know.
How?
So we opened up first.
Okay.
I'm remembering we need to bang that.
Oh, you know your stuff. So we have to open it first before we bang it. You wanna bang it?
Yeah.
Make sure you bang it like here on the... Wow, good job. Okay, what do we do next?
Next we get a roll.
I don't think we need a roller. They're already thin. But you could get that thing to put them on.
Can I mold it?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! I knew it was going to be parchment paper.
Hmm?
I knew it was going to be a parchment paper.
Put it there. How many do you want?
I usually slices.
How many of these?
Maybe I'll just have two.
Two? There.
So yummy. Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Did this not?
Go, let me see.
I want it for myself.
Is it the big end first or the small end? Which one do you think?
I think the big. Oh my god, it's so gooey.
But that is huge. Let's make it a little bit tighter.
Oh my god.
Nice. Okay.
Mine looks funny. So we're doing all of that?
You said two. If you like it, then you could have it for dinner.
Okay. Or maybe for lunch. Just kidding.
How many of these do you think you want in there?
I think I would like about 5 or so. Let me put them on. Pepperoni pizza. Now it's a 2. Now it's a 3. Now it's a 4. Let's roll it. Man, I hope this one is good. I do not know if this is going to be good.
Why?
Actually, it is a bit good.
You like croissants and you like pizza.
Mixed croissant pizza.
Mm-hmm.
So that's going to be my croissant pizza.
How long do you think we should put them in there for?
Maybe for 6 minutes.
Okay. Let's see. About 20 minutes or until golden?
Until golden?
Mm-hmm.
Until what golden?
Until it gets brown.
Oh.
We're going to pop these in the air fryer for about 20 minutes or until golden. For fruits and snacks, she's having grapes. She's going to be trying dragon fruit.
For the second time, because the last time we had a barbecue here with grandma and everyone else, we were sitting right here trying dragon fruit, but I didn't like it.
Okay.
Actually, I didn't eat it.
Okay.
Banana chips. Mini chip ahoy. Or a paper towel. I'm gonna try the tiniest part. That looks like coconut.
Mm.
Okay. So yummy.
If you say so.
It tastes like grape.
The
Super sour. Like 100 sours. Let's try one. Try.
It's not sour.
Yes, it is. It's sour for me.
Maybe because you're eating the grapes.
My grapes are not sour.
It's taking away the taste from it.
Does it taste like
You want to try it with the Tajín?
Mhm.
The Tajín thing?
Is Tajín a seasoning?
She's gonna try Tajín with her fruits to see if that helps. Ready? Dip it. Okay, eat it now. It's not spicy. It's just salty, but it's good. It's salty and sour. No? You don't like it?
No.
It's so good.
No. That's really good.
Mhm.
That was really. And our croissant pizza is ready. Right, big fella?
How much do you want? Look.
Maybe a little more. Let me pour it.
Don't pour what you're not going to eat.
This is enough.
Oops.
Oopsie.
For drink, she's having strawberry milk. Rosie, what are you doing over there?
I'm gonna go check on her to make sure she's okay. Mommy, she's playing with your breast pump.
It's okay.
She's playing with the top of it.
Kool-Aid liquid. I just use a splash. We need taste, not flavor. Right?
Now I add the water.
Yeah. Here. Water.
Water.
Say water.
Water.
Okay. All of it, Bubba. Good job.
Okay, can I try it and make sure?
Make sure what? Okay. Safe to say the water will be coming back home empty. You're gonna put more in there.
More?
Okay.
My roll-up pizza's ready.
They're a little bit burnt, but we didn't know it was gonna be burnt so quick. Okay.
Me either.
So now that you see the size, do you want both of them or just one?
One.
But I don't remember which one is the pepperoni.
I remember.
I think this one's a pepperoni.
I think this one's the pepperoni.
Okay, so you choose which one you want. We're gonna use our Melly snap box, no insert. There, choose the one you want, my love.
I want this one. I
Yeah.
I can't pick it up. It's so stuck. See?
Oops.
You shouldn't have had parchment paper. Oh my, how about you hold it up like that?
Hold on, baby. Come. Okay. Pizza roll up. Fruits and snacks. Tajín. Am I saying that right? Strawberry milk. Mini cookies. The seasoning thing. Wet ones. And a fork. And that's everything we packed for my picky eater's lunch today. Are you gonna finish it?
I think so.
Good job. Here. Back. Again. But there, it's cool that done. Good job. Let's unpack my picky eater's lunch bag and see what she actually had for lunch today. First off is the water. Okay. She drank about a half of her bottle of water, which is honestly still good because she drank water at school. What's that? Yeah. Main lunch. Ooh, you did really well. She did say she only had a half of it, but honestly, this looks like more than a half. You did really well. Did you like it?
Why does it taste so good?
She was actually just telling me to hurry up with the video so she could finish it. So here you go, my love. Enjoy. Oh boy.
Can I also have this one?
Did you use this?
Yeah.
You used it?
Mm-hmm.
For real?
Yeah, I used one little bit.
For your grapes.
Yeah, for my bag.
So majority of the tahini is back. She said she only used a little bit for her grapes.
Mommy, can I also have this one?
Mm-hmm. Did you try the dragon fruit again at all?
Yeah.
How many did you eat at school?
2.
According to her, she only had 2 pieces of dragon fruit. She brought back the banana chips and she finished her grapes. Oh wow. She actually brought back like 3 of the mini cookies. And she finished all her strawberry milk. So what happened at school today? Why didn't you finish lunch?
Because we usually get like 10 minutes for lunch.
Okay.
And sometimes kids get a little distracted by the show.
Oh, you guys watch a show during lunchtime?
Yeah, because the Lucky Duck chooses the show.
It's in lunchtime. It's at lunchtime? Okay.
And sometimes snack.
So according to her, today there was a lot of distraction, so that is why she didn't finish her lunch. But honestly, it is what it is because she is going to eat it right now. So she's still getting some nutrients in before dinner time. So what do you want? You want the cookies? You want these or no? Because this is a bit wet, so I'd say you could skip these. These are a bit mucky. These are a bit soggy right now. And the banana chips too. You can have these. You want these? Oh, I also wanted to show you guys my gift for today. Super cute. Apparently this is for me and Rosie. It says, love mommy and baby. Anyways, that's everything my picky eater actually had for lunch today. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.